Hello, welcome. Question 21. Find the truth set of 2x minus 4 less than 6 plus 3x. This is BECE 2024. So in solving this, we are picking the inequality sign as the barrier. So we need to transpose all the terms so that the variables will be at one side of the inequality sign, then the constant also at the other side. So maintaining the 2x here, I am going to transpose the positive 3x to become negative 3x, as in subtracting 3x from both sides. That will eliminate it from here. Then less than 6. If I add 4 here, I'll be getting 0. I need to add 4 here also, meaning adding 4 to both sides, subtracting 3x from both sides. So here is 2 minus 3. That will be negative. Then you attack the x, so negative x less than 6 plus 4 will be 10. But we are looking for the value of x to be positive. So we divide both sides by the negative. That's negative 1. That makes it negative x divided by negative 1, 10 divided by negative 1. You observe that I've changed the sign. When you are dividing by a negative, the inequality sign changes. It changes or it reverses. So here I'll be having x to be greater than negative 10. So the truth set is going to be the set of x such that x is greater than negative 10. Now, for you to understand this concept here, we can also say, let's maintain the negative 4 here. Then we subtract 6 from both sides. That should be less than, maintain your 3x. Now subtract your 2x from it. I believe you'll be having negative 10 in this area, less than 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 will give you 1, and that will be x. So you agree that if I have 8 and I have what? 4. This means 8 is greater than 4, right? If 8 is greater than 4, it also means 4 is what? Less than 8. I believe that is the same statement. 8 is more than 4. That means 4 is also less than 8. With the change of the sign, it still gives us the same meaning. This is greater than sign, less than, but the same meaning, because 8 is bigger than 4, meaning 4 is less than 8. So here, I can say that since minus 10 is less than x, it means x is greater than what? Minus 10, with no other addition of sign. But we can understand that if this is less than this, then this is bigger. That's how the sign is changing in this environment. Question 21, we have to evaluate the root of 75 plus the root of 18 minus the root of 27. Now, in said, we only add numbers that have the same number under the root. So it means we need to reduce these numbers to their minimum form, preferably a prime number or a product of what? 2 prime numbers. So first of all, I can use 2 to divide. 75 divided by 2, that will give us decimal. So the next one will be 3. 3 goes here, 2 with a remainder of 1. 3 goes to 15 5 times, meaning 25 times. And 25 is a perfect square. So I can easily expand 75 as 25 times what? 3. 25 times 3 give you what? 75. Then in the 18, we can use 2 to divide. 2 dividing 18, that will be 9. 9 is the perfect square. Therefore, 9 times 2 minus 2 dividing 27, that will give you decimal. So we pick 3. 3 dividing 27, that will be 9 times. And 9 is perfect. So 9 times what? 3. Remember the laws? If you have two numbers multiplied, It means we can separate the root sign on each of the numbers. We can separate the root sign on each of the number. Therefore, picking root 25 as a whole will give you 5, because 25 is the perfect square of 5 times 5. So I'll be having here 5 times the root of 3. 9 is also a perfect square of 3 times 3. So I'll be having 3 times the root of 2 minus 3 times the root of what? 3. Since we are performing operation, we look at the under the root. I have 3, 3, 2. So 2 is not part of the like set. So I'll be having 5 root 3 in this place minus 3 root 3, then plus 3 root 2. This simply means that we are going to pick the coefficient of the like set, meaning 5 minus 3, that is the coefficient. Then we bring the root 3. So that when I expand root 3 times 5, 5 root 3, minus root 3 times 3, 3 root 3. Then your plus 3 root 2. So if you subtract 3 from 5, you should be having 2. Then root 3 will come plus 3 root 2. So this becomes the final answer if you are to evaluate this to the minimum point. I am sure this is clear also. Don't forget to leave a comment for us to get interactive. Subscribe to the channel on Facebook, on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook and TikTok.